Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TGA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Today, very nice price movement. Then you factor in the volume, and volume was quite strong and probably the biggest it's had in a while, but really more so than just today. You look at the past few days, and this thing is just in a beautiful uptrend. So I want to get some levels of support mapped out and then talk about a couple levels of resistance, as there's quite a few eyeballs on it. So starting off with support, first level would be the ideal level when you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 365. Don't get me wrong, though. If the price falls below 365, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above 365, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be the previous breakout point down here at about $3.48. So 365, 348, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at things from the big picture point of view. So this certainly assumes you have more of a broader time horizon, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very basic yet highly effective way of judging the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 365 would be great. However, grand scheme of things viewpoint, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As it stands right now, party stop today right up there at $3.90. So $3.90 will be public enemy number one going forward. But with charts like this, resistance levels really don't matter. And I say that because as long as the price keeps on building higher bases like it's been doing, then everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building those higher lows, focus on healthy consolidations, and then just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.